Today I am going to show you how you can work on movie clip or movie video. They are getting huge views. Check this channel. Here is another on top list K-drama. Here is another on. So you can work on this type of videos. But I will suggest you to work on top 10 movie videos. Making this type of videos are easy. And the interesting thing is you don't need to watch the movies at all. Before start, I will show you this channel. First go any of its video. They started with the human voice.
Best interracial
It will be
romance
10 to
movies.
15 seconds.
You should definitely.
And
It chronicles the life of Rosalind, who must disguise herself as a boy while wandering the forest of Arden.
so he is not putting his own voice. He is just using AI voice. So you can make this type of video with AI generated voice. I am going to make this video in 4 parts. First, topic and the top 10 movie list on this topic. Second, script. Third, voiceover. And 4, editing video. So start with the topic. For topics, you can go any of this channel and pick on title from them. Like top 10 Megan Good movies, top 10 firefighter movies, top 10 rap movies. You can take any topic or go to YouTube and search by your choice. Like top 10 horror movie. From here you can select any video. Like I start with the first one. Click it and open. From this video you will get the list of your movies. So just watch the video and make your movie list. Or you can go to description or comment section. You will get the list. Look here. So here is the list. Number 1 is Evil Dead Rise and number 10 is Knock at the Cabin. And here are rest of them. Or you can go to Google and write horror movies. Now go any of the link and get your list. Here is the list. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So you got the list of your movies. After getting list, now we need the script. So for script, I will use ChatGPT. How? First copy the movie name. Then go to ChatGPT. Now write a short synopsis on movie Brooklyn 45 without any spoiler. Now go. So we got the movie synopsis. Now copy it and paste it anywhere. Now go to next movie, copy the movie name and go to ChatGPT and do the same thing again. So here is the synopsis of our next movie. Just copy it and save it. Do the same thing for rest 8 movies. This is the way how we can get your content. After getting content, we need voiceover. You can use your own voiceover or you can use AI voice. But I always suggest to use own voiceover. But if you want to use AI voiceover, I will tell you to go 11 Labs. This website is free. Just copy your content and paste it here. Here is the option of voiceover artist. You can choose any of them. Like I like this one.
Set in the
11 Labs is
vibrant and
preparing
diverse
our
borough
files.
of Brooklyn, we follow the life of Sarah.
Now click here and download. For free version of 11 Labs, there is one problem. It will take 333 characters. So you need to put your script part by part. But you can use any AI voiceover software. This one is free, so I am showing you this one. So after getting script and voiceover, we need videos. So how to make videos? For videos, first go to your movie name. I have taken a script for this one, so just copy it. Go to YouTube and search trailer. This is the trailer of Brooklyn 45. Your first task is download this. I am not going to show you how you will download this trailer. Just download it. After downloaded the trailer, go to Google and search free video to JPG converter download. And from here select this one, free video to JPG converter download, and download and install this software. And this is the software. From this software just add files, select your downloaded file and just convert. It will convert your video into image. It will take 30 to 40 seconds. So this is all our images. Now our task is editing. For editing I will use Camtasia. I am going to show you a single part of the video, and following this you will do the rest. So just import the media. Here is the audio. Again go there. Now select the images. So put the audio here and now drag the images. Now animate the images. You can do this with any software you want. There are lots of free software available in the internet, so you can use any of them that you like. Now animate it like this way. It's your choice how you will animate your images. I am just showing you the process. Let's listen.
In the movie Brooklyn 45, set in the vibrant and diverse borough of Brooklyn, we follow the life of Sarah, a young and ambitious woman who finds herself at a crossroads. Eager to leave her small...
Using image is the safest process, but look at them.
Number one,
They are
revenge
using
of
images and
otters.
videos both.
During that time,
So how you will do that? Go to Camtasia and import the trailer. Just mute the audio and take 5 to 6 seconds of the video. Split it and put it at first. Now take another 5-6 seconds. Take another 5-6 seconds. Now delete the rest of the things. Now what to do with these videos? First go there, adjust it with the screen.
In the movie Brooklyn 45,
After video, put a image. After few time, put another video. Just adjust it. Then another image. Then another footage. So play the video again.
in the movie Brooklyn 45, set in the vibrant and diverse borough of Brooklyn, we follow the life of Sarah, a young and ambitious woman who finds herself at a crossroads. Eager to leave her small-town roots behind and...
This is the way you can use image and video, and this channel is doing the same. He is using image and video, image and video, image and video. Lots of channels are using full video, but don't do that. That's not the safest process. This is a safe process. Hope this video will help you. For more video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.